Few things scare men more than the idea that they could be replaced. It is this very fear that keeps a lot of men away from using sex toys in the bedroom. They have this terrifying image that the piece of machinery could soon replace them as the source of their girlfriend's sexual pleasure. In fact, the opposite is true. Providing that guys know exactly what to do, toys actually make it less likely that they will be replaced. Sex toy use and its role in her fantasy life. Here's a funny image. Imagine a woman teasing herself with a sex toy. It's really difficult to imagine, isn't it? It is really difficult to tease yourself, no matter how creative you are. Teasing is a great example of something that she can only get from you, especially if you use it to delay her pleasure and make her orgasms a lot harder. Therefore, introducing sex toys, but adding in this kind of sexy twist, guarantees that she will never look to pieces of machinery for your replacement. Another key thing that she can only get from you is the intimacy that you bring to intercourse. Unless your girlfriend is mentally unhinged, she will probably not be able to form any kind of emotional bond with a sex toy. The very idea is ridiculous. Therefore, this is another thing that you can offer her, the excitement and the emotional connection that a piece of machinery will ultimately fail at. The sex toy can only ever offer her physical release, never emotional release. Introducing sex toys and teasing tips. Any guy that wants to be 100% sure that a pleasure device will not replace him, needs to remember what he uniquely offers his girlfriend in the bedroom, that she will never be able to get from anywhere else. Have some fun with it, whisper sexy things in her ear, talk dirty to her as she comes to orgasm, stroke her body tenderly, bring her up to the point of orgasm, then taking the stimulation away to really drive her crazy. When she finally orgasms, it will be far more intense. The best part is that once you use sex toys in the right way, it will make it far easier for her to have an orgasm, and once she is regularly having orgasms, she will soon find that she can have them with or without sex toys. Therefore, no guys should be scared of sex toys. They are just another part of the variety of sexual techniques that make for great sex. Find out the one thing he obsesses over more than sex, link in description.